Welcome back to ExplainCAD. In this tutorial we will know about spline command. Here is the icon of spline command. Select this toolbar and drag it here. First is simple spline. Select this icon. This orange color indicates the command is activate. First point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point. By double clicking here it will exit the command. You can also exit the command by clicking here, or you can also press escape button from keyboard. You can change the position of spline by selecting spline and move anywhere. You can change the shape of spline by selecting these points. Again I select spline command and draw one more spline. First point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point. Double clicking here, exit the command. The next type of spline is connect. It connects two splines. First point, second point. Similarly here, it connects two splines here, first point and second point. This is connect spline. This was the spline toolbar. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe ExplainCAD.